time changed, cause our minds change. And what we think is good, I wasn't raised in the hood, but I know a thing or two about pain and darkness. If it wasn't for this music, I don't know how I would've fought this. Regardless, all these songs I'm hearing are so heartless. Don't trust a perfect person and don't trust this song is flawless. Honest, there's a few songs on this record that feel common. I'm in constant confrontation with what I want and what is popping in the industry. It seems to me that singles on the radio are currency. My creativity's only free when I play it through. They keep saying you're lame boy, but we go where we want to. They think this thing is a highway, but they may laugh tomorrow. Sorry if that question I asked that scared you a bit like a hazmat in a gas mask. If you ask Zach, it's my brother, he likes when I rap fast. But let's backtrack, back to this. Know what you're living up for on that list, but the problem is there's another list that exists. You don't really want to think about this. Because sanity, because salary, because vanity, my morality. If you get in between to when I live and be, you're gonna feel the heat of my cavalry. All these songs I'm hearing are so heartless. Don't trust a perfect person and don't trust a song that's flawless. They say saying you're lame boy,